Welcome all to the new video of coding race. In this video we will learn how to make register app in MIT App Inventor. So take your web browser and search MIT App Inventor and log in with your Google account and start a new project. Type your project name and just click on OK. Just change it to tablet. So first drag and drop one label and the width will be fill parent and the text align will be center. The font will be bolded and the font size will be 30. Here we will type register. So just click on the label and erase all the text and type register and just click on enter. Next go to layouts and drag and drop one virtual arrangement and the width will be fill parent and the height will be fill parent. Background color will be customs and select and nice color. This color, that's perfect. This is better. And we want two text box, one button. Here we want to insert the name, phone number, and this will be save. Just click on this virtual arrangement and the align horizontal will be center, align vertical will be center. This text box width will be 60%. This will be 60%. And just rename this button, save, just click on enter. This button width will be 20% and drag and drop two label between them. Erase all the text. Just click on the label 2 and the height will be 2. And just click on the text box 1 and erase the hint and type as name. Just click on the text 2 box 2 and erase the hint or text in the hint and type phone number. And just enter. And you can see this numbers only. Just click on it. And go to this experimental and drag and drop this Firebase DB1 and you can see the warning. Just read it and just click on OK. And you can see, just click on the Firebase DB1. You can see the properties here. Just click on the tick mark and go to your Google and search firebase.google.com. Here we will save the name and the phone number which the users will be saved. Here we will create the database. So just click on this get started and just click on add project. Just enter your project name register coding race 1 2, and I will click on continue, and just disable this Google Analytics for this project, and just click on create project. Wait for some seconds to create your project. Yeah, my project is created. Just click on continue. You can see this dashboard, and here you can see this real-time database. Just click on it. Just click on create database. Just click on the database location, and yeah, enable it. Wait for some seconds to create the database. Yeah, at this database is created. You can see my project name here and one branch. So go to rule section, and here you can see this write and read. Just change it to true. Yeah, and you can see this publish option. Just click on it. Yeah, the rule is published. So go to data, and you can see this one link here. This is the link of our database. Just click on it and copy. Oh, sorry, that's my mistake. And just click on the Firebase DB and erase the Firebase URL default and paste the link here and just enter. And you can see this connect option and refresh the component screen. Yeah, and just refresh the Firebase also. Yeah, our Firebase is connected to our app. So next, go to the block section and go to this button 1 and drag and drop. When button 1 dot click, and go to Firebase DB1, and you can see store value. Just drag and drop it to here, and go to the text box 1 and drag and drop this text box dot text. Yeah, here text box 1 dot text. Value to store will be, go to text box 2 and drag and drop text box 2 dot text. The phone number tag will be the name, and the value will be the number, the phone number of the user. And just click on the button and change it to font will be bolded, and the background color will be custom this color. You can use any color. So this are our coding for our register app. If you want more interesting app development ideas, visit our YouTube channel. Bye.